Have you ever found yourself feeling stuck, like life just isn't moving forward, no matter how much effort you put in? You've been working hard, setting goals, and visualizing your dreams, yet something seems to be holding you back. It's frustrating, isn't it? What if I told you that the energy within your own home might be the invisible force keeping you from reaching your full potential? It might sound surprising, even a bit far-fetched, but the spaces we live in have a profound impact on our well-being. Everything around us is made of energy, from the walls of our homes to the objects we fill them with. This energy can either uplift us or weigh us down, and today I want to explore 5 things in your home that could be silently obstructing your path to success and happiness. As we go through these, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own living space. How do you feel when you walk through your front door? Does your home make you feel calm, inspired, and at peace? Or does it sometimes feel heavy, cluttered, or overwhelming? The answers to these questions might reveal more than you expect, and the changes we're about to discuss could be the key to unlocking a new, more vibrant chapter in your life. First, let's talk about your closet. How often do you find yourself staring at a closet full of clothes, yet feeling like you have nothing to wear? It's a common experience, one that many of us shrug off as just another quirk of modern life. But what if there's more to it? What if the clothes hanging in your closet, ones you haven't worn in years, are actually holding on to the energy of your past? Clothing isn't just fabric stitched together. It's a reflection of who you are at different moments in your life. When you buy a new outfit, it often resonates with a specific time, mood, or phase in your journey. But as time passes, your energy changes. You grow, evolve, and sometimes outgrow the person you were when you bought those clothes. Take a moment to think about the old jacket you wore during college, or those jeans that no longer fit. These items carry the energy of a time that has passed. And while it's perfectly natural to hold on to memories, clinging to clothes that no longer reflect your current self can anchor you to an outdated version of who you are. This emotional attachment can prevent you from moving forward and fully embracing the person you are now. Consider your closet as a metaphor for your life's journey. If it's filled with remnants of the past, there's little room for the future to unfold. That's why it's so important to periodically cleanse your wardrobe. As you go through each piece of clothing, hold it in your hands and reflect on the memories it holds. Then, with gratitude, let it go. Thank it for the role it played in your life and release it, allowing yourself to make space for new experiences and opportunities. This doesn't mean discarding everything indiscriminately. Donate the clothes that are still in good condition so they can bring joy to someone else. For those items that are too worn out, dispose of them responsibly. This simple act of letting go can be incredibly liberating. You'll find that as your closet becomes more aligned with your present self, so too will your life begin to reflect this clarity and openness. Let's take this a step further by considering the emotional and psychological impact of your clothing. When you hold on to clothes that no longer fit or suit your style, you might be holding on to old beliefs or fears that are no longer serving you. These clothes can act as physical reminders of the past, triggering memories and emotions that keep you from fully embracing the present. For example, if you've recently gone through a significant life change, such as losing weight, starting a new career, or ending a relationship, holding on to clothes from your old life can prevent you from fully stepping into your new identity. It's as if those clothes are anchoring you to the past, making it harder for you to move forward and fully embrace who you've become. By releasing these clothes, you're not just making space in your closet, you're also making space in your mind and heart for new possibilities. You're telling yourself, I am ready to let go of the past and embrace the present. This act of letting go can be incredibly empowering, helping you to feel more confident, more in control, and more aligned with your true self. Next, let's move on to broken objects. We all have them, A chipped mug that's too cute to throw away, cracked mirror that still sort of works, or a decorative piece that's missing a part but holds sentimental value. It's easy to overlook these items, thinking they're just small imperfections in the grand scheme of things. But what if I told you that these broken objects might be affecting your home's energy more than you realize? Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you should feel safe, relaxed, and rejuvenated. But when you surround yourself with broken things, you're also surrounding yourself with the energy of things that aren't quite right. It's like living in a space that constantly reminds you of what's not working, what's incomplete, or what needs fixing. Over time, these subtle cues can create a sense of unease or dissatisfaction, even if you're not consciously aware of it. Think about that chipped mug you've been holding on to. Every time you use it, you're interacting with something that's damaged, something that no longer serves its original purpose fully. It's a small reminder of imperfection, and while perfection isn't the goal, harmony and balance are essential for positive energy. Broken objects, even when they hold sentimental value, can disrupt this balance, creating a heaviness in your space that can be hard to shake. Now, let's delve deeper into the psychological effects of living with broken objects. On a subconscious level, these items can reinforce a mindset of scarcity or lack. When you hold on to broken things, you might be telling yourself, "I can't afford to replace this," or "I don't deserve something better." This mindset can extend beyond material objects and influence other areas of your life, such as your relationships, career, or personal growth. For example, if you're holding on to a broken chair because it was a gift from a loved one, you might be clinging to a relationship that no longer serves you, simply because you feel obligated or afraid to let go. Or, if you're keeping a cracked mirror because it still kind of works, you might be settling for less than you deserve in other areas of your life, convincing yourself that good enough is all you can hope for. By letting go of these broken objects, you're making a powerful statement: I deserve better. You're affirming that you're worthy of having things that are whole, complete, and in alignment with your highest self. This act of releasing broken items can create a ripple effect in your life, helping you to attract more abundance, more joy, and more fulfillment in all areas. So what should you do? The first step is to recognize the impact these broken objects might have on your home's energy. Then, make a conscious decision to either repair them if possible or let them go. But don't just throw them out without a second thought. Take a moment to appreciate the joy these items once brought you. Expressing gratitude for the role they played in your life helps to release any lingering energy they might hold. Once you've done this, you can part with them more easily, knowing that you're making room for new positive energy to flow into your home. You'll notice that as you clear out these broken items, your home will start to feel lighter, more harmonious. The energy will flow more freely, creating a space that supports your well-being and nurtures your growth. Now let's talk about shoes. You might not think of shoes as anything more than a practical necessity, but they actually carry a significant amount of energy. Your shoes are literally the foundation of your journey, carrying you through the various stages and experiences of your life. But what happens when your shoes are worn out, dirty, or no longer fit properly? The energy they carry can start to have a negative impact on your home and your life. Consider this. Every time you walk through your front door, you bring in not just the physical dirt from the outside, but also the energy of the places you've been. Your shoes are dirty or worn out, they carry that energy with them, spreading it throughout your home. This might sound a bit esoteric, but think of it this way. When you track dirt into your home, makes your space feel less clean, less pure. The same goes for energy. That's why it's so important to take care of your shoes. Make it a habit to clean them regularly, especially when you come home. This simple act of cleaning isn't just about maintaining physical cleanliness. also about cleansing the energy you're bringing into your space. By taking care of your shoes, you're nurturing the journey of your life, ensuring that the energy you carry with you is positive and supportive. But what about shoes that are beyond repair? If your shoes are worn out, it's time to replace them. Holding on to worn-out shoes can be like holding on to old beliefs or habits that no longer serve you. They weigh you down, prevent you from moving forward. New shoes not only support your physical comfort, but they also symbolize a fresh start. They represent a clear, positive path forward, free from the wear and tear of past experience. Let's expand on the symbolism of shoes in your life. Shoes represent movement, progress, and the paths you've walked. When you wear shoes that are worn out, you might be unconsciously holding on to old patterns, fears, or limitations. It's as if those worn-out soles are keeping you stuck in the same old ruts, preventing you from exploring new paths or embracing new opportunity. Imagine the feeling of slipping into a brand new pair of shoes. They're comfortable, supportive, and ready to take you wherever you want to go. That feeling of newness and possibility isn't just physical, it's also psychological. New shoes can symbolize a new chapter in your life, one where you're ready to step into the unknown with confidence and excitement. By replacing worn-out shoes with new ones, you're giving yourself permission to move forward, to explore new possibilities, and to embrace the journey ahead. It's a small but powerful way of affirming that you're ready to let go of the past and step into the future, clarity and purpose. As you take this step, remember that your shoes bear the weight of your body every day, absorbing the energy of your environment. By taking care of them, you're taking care of your own journey, ensuring that each step you take is filled with confidence, clarity, and positive energy. Let's move on to a more sensitive topic: objects and clothes that belong to loved ones who have passed away. These items often carry deep emotional significance, and it's natural to want to keep them close as a way of preserving memories. However, it's important to recognize that while memories should be cherished, holding on to physical objects tied to the past can sometimes create emotional stagnation. The energy of these items is deeply connected to a time and a person who are no longer physically present. While it's comforting to have something tangible to remember them by, these items can also keep you anchored to a past that no longer exists in the physical world. This can make it difficult to fully move forward and embrace new experiences and opportunities in the present. Letting go of these items doesn't mean you're forgetting your loved one. In fact, it can be a way of honoring their memory by allowing their spirit to continue its journey, free from the physical ties that keep both them and you grounded in the past. By releasing these objects, you create space for new memories, new experiences, and new energy that align with your current self. This process isn't easy, and it doesn't have to be done all at once. Start by carefully selecting a few items that hold the most significance, and consider how you might honor those memories in a different way. Perhaps through a photo album, piece of art, or a small keepsake that doesn't carry the same emotional weight. As you gently let go of the rest, remind yourself that you're not saying goodbye to your loved one, rather making space in your life, new beginning. Now, let's explore the idea of emotional attachment in more detail. When you hold on to items that belong to loved ones who have passed away, you might be clinging to the past out of fear. Fear of forgetting them, fear of losing the connection, or fear of moving on. These fears are natural, but they can also create a sense of stagnation, preventing you from fully engaging with the present moment. By gently letting go of these items, you're not severing the connection to your loved ones. You're simply allowing their memory to live on in a different way. You're creating space in your life for new experiences, new relationships, and new opportunities. This act of letting go can be incredibly healing, helping you to release any unresolved grief, guilt, or sadness that might be holding you back. Remember, the love you shared with your loved ones is not confined to physical objects. It lives on in your heart, in your memories, and in the ways you continue to honor their legacy. By letting go of the physical items, you're allowing yourself to carry their love with you in a more free and unburdened way. Finally, let's talk about clutter. We've all heard the saying, a cluttered space equals a cluttered mind, and it's one of those cliches that holds a lot of truth. Clutter blocks the free flow of energy in your home, creating a sense of chaos, confusion, and overwhelm. It's not just about having too many things. It's about the energy those things carry and how they affect your state of mind. When your space is cluttered, it's difficult to focus, to relax, and to feel at peace. Clutter isn't just physical, it's also mental and emotional. It's the unfinished projects, the books you've been meaning to read, the items you've kept just in case. All these things create noise, both in your environment and in your mind, making it hard to think clearly and move forward with purpose. To invite positive energy into your home, it's crucial to keep your space organized and well-maintained. Start with small, manageable tasks. Clear off a desk, tidy up a corner, or sort through a drawer. As you declutter, you'll begin to feel lighter, more focused, and more in control of your life. But decluttering isn't just about getting rid of things. It's also about being intentional with what you keep. Surround yourself with items that bring you joy, inspire you, and reflect who you are now, not who you were in the past. Add elements that bring life and energy into your space, like plants, natural light, and fresh air. These small changes can have a profound impact on your well-being, making your home a sanctuary that nurtures your soul and supports your growth. Now, let's explore the deeper psychological effects of clutter. When your home is cluttered, it can create a sense of overwhelm, making it difficult to relax or focus. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, stress, or even depression. On a subconscious level, clutter can also reinforce a mindset of scarcity or lack. When you hold on to things just in case, you might be telling yourself that you don't trust the future to provide for your needs. By decluttering your space, you're making a powerful statement. I trust that I have enough. You're affirming that you deserve to live in a space that is clean, clear, positive energy. This act of decluttering can create a ripple effect in your life, helping you to feel more confident, more focused, and more in control of your life. As you continue to declutter, consider the concept of enough. Ask yourself, do I have enough? This simple question can help you to release the things that no longer serve you and to embrace a mindset of abundance and gratitude. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you create space for more blessings to flow into your life. Remember, your home is more than just a place where you live. It's a reflection of your inner world, your energy, and your journey. By letting go of clothes that no longer serve you, broken objects, worn-out shoes, items tied to the past, and clutter, you open the door to a life filled with positive energy, growth, and new opportunities. The things we hold on to in our homes can either lift us up or weigh us down. The choice is yours. By intentionally creating a space that supports your well-being, you invite miracles into your life. You create an environment where positive energy can flow freely, bringing with it the success, happiness, and peace you've been seeking. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Together, we can create spaces that nourish our souls and support our dreams. Until next time, take care and keep your energy light.